subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor is reported to launch Honor 30s, the successor of Honor 20s that was launched back in September last year. Currently, the company haven't revealed any details related to Honor 30s, but the renders of the phone has surfaced on Chinese social media site Weibo that shows the rear panel of the smartphone. According to the leak image, the backside of Honor 30s is seen to have a camera cutout at the top left corner in a squarish module, which will include at least triple camera setup since the Honor 20s had. But however, the camera cutout looks to house more than 3 cameras. The volume rockers are clearly visible along with the power button, which appears to come equipped by fingerprint sensor like its predecessor. Recently, the Honor 30s promo was spotted on a label of Sprite bottle in China that suggests the phone to support 5G network. And the phone is rumored to come powered by Kirin 820 chipset. Apart from this, there is no other details of Honor 30s has leaked so far, and the smartphone is expected to launch sometime around April. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Honor 30s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.